upon a time in the land of the long white cloud, the hungry tribesmen gathered for a meeting, and a warrior spoke to the crowd.
By curry, boys, I had enough of this stuff called marrowbone stew. If you want to put some meat into the kind that you've been eating, I got a new soup for you.
I call it hoo-har and pocky-ha, hoo-har and pocky-ha, the finest food you could ever wish for. Better flat a big flat flaxen dish for hoo-har and pocky-ha. Then good Queen Vic sent a fellow with a treaty to the land of the old Kiwi. And Hobson called all the chieftains together and he said, lads, listen to me. Sign the dotted line and we'll all have tea. But one old chief just sat and said, I don't give a honey for the treaty, you white honey. You can't get fat on that. Give me some hoo-har and pocky-ha, hoo-har and pocky-ha. And no fish and chips or cream pavlovas. I want a dish with no leftovers. Hoo-har and pocky-ha.
Come on, boys, we just got another one, eh?
Hey, stay. I've fallen in the geyser.
Yeah, you sit there and have a good wash, eh, boy?
Why, that's a capital idea. Never could get a decent bath in the colonies. I say, have you any soap?
Sorry, no soap, Bucky. Try some pua. Make you smell good, eh?
Drop of the old eau-de colonial, what? Jove, it is getting rather warm in here. I'll cook if I have to stay in here much longer.
Oh, you catch on quick, boy.
Great Scott, so that's your little game, is it? You can't cook me, sir. I'm a cabinet minister.
That's all right, boy. We're not fussy.